Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel and Kusina ni Garuthay. For today's vlog, I will be showing you how to make homemade meatballs. So what we will be needing as an ingredients is ground beef. I have here almost 493 grams of ground beef, which I bought in the supermarket. I'm gonna put it in a large bowl. And I will be also using mix for meatballs, which is, you can buy this in the supermarket. I don't know if it's available in your area, but this is a very instant mixture, which really help you to get the best flavors on your meatball. So I'm gonna pour it here. I will be also needing 2 eggs, two large eggs, and we will be needing we'll be also be needing this. I forgot what do you call this, but this is pan and bloom. I will just link the description, put the description what how do you call it this, how do you call this in English, but it's actually like something that you can add on to have best texture on your meatballs, to make them not to separate the ground meat, but to hold them all together. So I will just put a little bit first and see how it will be. So it is advisable that you actually use gloves, because it's going to stick on your hands. I have gloves here. It's a little bit big, but it will help me to be able to mix them properly. So let's start the mixing process. You only need to make sure that it is evenly and distributed. Oh, I forgot there is a evenly distributed in the ingredients.